Hi there, it's Lena. Today we will be looking into basic commands of Linux using Ubuntu. So now we're going to open the terminal on Ubuntu. You will need to press Ctrl+Alt+T. And the terminal is now ready to be used. It is important to understand that when you first open the terminal, you are in the home directory of your user. To know which directory you are in, you can use the pwd command. It gives the absolute path where the path starts from the root. The root is the base of the Linux file system, and it denotes the /, and it looks like this: /home/my_first_TOS, which basically talks about you as the user. We can use the ls command to know what files are in the directory. ls. Desktop document downloads, music, pictures, public templates, videos. So these are the different files that are in this directory. So if you want to view all hidden files, you will need to use ls -a, and you will be able to view all the hidden files that are in this directory. You can look into the cd command, where it is used to go to a directory. For example, if you decide to go to the downloads folder, then you can type in cd downloads. So example will be cd downloads, and you are here. One thing to highlight here is that the command is case sensitive, and you have to type in the name of the folder exactly as it is. To go back from a folder to the other folder before that, you can type cd ... The two dots represent back. If you are planning to create a folder or a directory, you can use the mkdir command. For example, if you want to make a directory called trying, then you can type mkdir trying. If you want to create a directory with two words, as in a directory name having two words like trying now, then you can type mkdir trying \now. If you want to delete a directory, you can use rmdir. But rmdir can only be used to delete an empty directory. So if you want to delete a directory that contains files, you need to use rm. is a directory. So rm cannot remove trying now is a directory. dir. So in Linux, if there is no error, it would not say anything. It would not give any clue that a file is created or a file is deleted. But if there's any error, then they will basically provide um, error messages as this. If you are just planning to delete the directory, you will need to use rm -r. Okay, sorry. So when you do and command not found, so let's try rm-r. Try. Sorry, it has to have a space r. Okay, and try. No such file. So basically, okay, no such file as it was already deleted earlier. So yeah, let's try creating a folder rmdir and we name it DIY. rmdir basically it's delete mkdir DIY. Okay, so it's created and let's try rm-r DIY. So basically it has rm-r DIY has deleted the DIY directory. So there's no error there. The next command that we can look at will be the touch command, which is used to create a file. It can be anything from an empty txt file to an empty zip file. So example, let's say I want to come up with a file that says my new file.txt. Sorry, touch my new file.txt and we just created a file. And touch is used to create file. mkdir is used to create folders. Are the few commands that we have learned regarding Linux and using Ubuntu. If you have any other questions that you would like to ask about, you can actually comment at the box below here, and you can and if you like our video, please to like us and subscribe us and press the bell button where you can actually receive all our updated videos. And that's it for now. Bye.